Hello, my friends. I was contacted by the CRAFTS company to see if I would be interested in trying out their acrylic pouring paints. So they sent me a 24 bottle box of regular acrylic colors, beautiful assortment, and 12 metallics, also very pretty. And I noticed in the fine print on the back of the box, if you scan this code, you can get tips and 20% off your next purchase. It does say limitations apply, but their prices are very reasonable already, so that's a great deal. So I'm anxious to give them a try. I thought I would try my ring and ribbon technique to see how they hold up, how the lines hold up, and then maybe a Dutch pour. So let me decide which colors I'm going to use, and I shall return. Okay, I have returned. I mixed some orange with cad red and Indian yellow. However, or maybe I think I used lemon yellow. But then I saw they had vermilion in there, so I really didn't need to do a mix. They have a really marvelous variety of colors, but I did. So that's the only custom mix. Other than that, it's going to be straight from the bottle. And I'm going to add purple next. I love purple and orange together. And then some periwinkle, a light lavender type color, and then cad red. Indian yellow. I'll throw in some of this. This is a beautiful color, Olympic blue. I'm just experimenting on very small canvases, obviously. So I don't need a lot of paint. I think 4 ounces should be plenty. I wonder if I should have thrown some white in there. I think maybe I'll do some white just because. Okay. Let's give it a go. Actually, this is a 3-ounce cup. I only filled it halfway, so that's probably about 2 ounces of paint, but on this tiny little hexagon, it should be enough. Okay, ring and ribbon, here we go. Okay, here comes some ribbons. Okay, I was pretty sloppy with my ribbons there. Usually I stop and then do the ribbon effect, but just experimenting here to see, and so far so good. Now I see some cells, which surprises me. There was no additive in here. Must be something in the formula. Well, the color I mixed and then the red I added really took over, but that's on me there. Poor choice. And I've got a lump of something there. Right in the middle. Oh, that's interesting. This, I've got some transparency going on because, look, you can see the lines underneath. That's really fascinating. See right over here, isn't that interesting? All right. Okay. Well, I like the looks of it. It seems to be holding the shapes of the, yes, the shapes of the lines, and the rings are nice and separate. I want to really see how the ribbons work, so I'm going to add some more white. And it does say to shake, and I forgot to shake some of them, so that could be a factor in your results. With the white addition here, I'll really be able to see how the ribbons hold up. Not my finest work, I'll tell you. Way too much red, although I love red. I do love red. That's what I wanted to see, if it will hold its shape. And so far, so good. Gosh, over there, that one little section looks really pretty. Okay, I might as well use up this, what I have in the cup here. I'll just run ribbons all over it. I'm just experimenting. I'll set it aside and come back to it after I do the other one. So yeah, I poured some very thin ribbons. That'll be interesting to see how that holds up. So let me set that aside. And try the Dutch pour. Now the Dutch pour really needs to be done on a larger canvas, but I don't want to waste a bunch of paint trying it out. So I'm going small. I did mix up white with some Artist Loft white and Floetrol and water for my base coat. I didn't want to use up, a 2-ounce bottle. Although I think there were 2 whites. Yes, they gave 2 whites in there. And 2 blacks. So, all right. So I don't know if they will interact and work well with this base coat, and I don't know if I mixed enough of this. Oh well. Okay, so for this one, I thought I'd try the metallics. So, and I'm just going to use the primary colors: blue metal, red lava, yellow pearl, and then I thought I'd throw in some green. This looks pretty solid. This time I'm going to remember to shake them. And here we go. I guess I'll just do a line. Oh, that's pretty. Lovely. Red lava. Okay, as you know, I don't do a lot of Dutch pours. I don't have a lot of luck with them, so who knows if this will work. We shall see. On high and cool. Well, now also a lot of it is dependent upon the base coat I used, and it's selling up nicely. I like little cells in my Dutch pours, not those big giant ones. So I'm happy with that. It's very pretty up close. Moved around well. I wonder, let me bring it up now because I'm going to do something else. How pretty those colors are. I'm going to blow it out some more. Oh gosh, that's pretty over there. It's so fun with just a few colors what happens. I'm going to blow it out more and more and see how it reacts. I just wanted to see how it would further develop. And I ended up with an ugly color there. That probably the red and the green together makes kind of a ugly flesh color. But I do like the cells I got. Tiny little petite cells. Okay, well, let me... Some of those colors are really quite lovely. Even the ugly color is not that bad with the iridescence of it. Okay, well that's that. Let's take a look at this one that's been sitting here, and the lines are holding their shape. What happens if I hit this one with the hair dryer? Let me try that. So there's no Floetrol, no white. Let's just see how it moves around on the canvas. That's kind of fun. It's like fire. like that. Okay, well, I like the paints. I'm going to give them 2 thumbs up. You know, like with any new product, it takes experimentation, but I see great potential. I'm pleased with the way the lines hold. You can still see remnants of the ring pour there, and the metallics are beautiful, and they seem to work okay, play well with another medium, so that's encouraging as well, because, you know, 2-ounce bottle doesn't go that far, but if you can mix them with other things, that's always good. So, well, there you have it. Let me bring in a little closer, and then I will bid adieu. Colors are wonderful. Okay, my friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I would recommend you give Jen Crafts a try. JenCrafts.com. Thanks for watching. Bye now.